Hi, in this video we will see how to solve fraction questions when we have both addition and subtraction, right? So in order to solve any fraction questions, if we do not have a common denominator, like in this example we have different denominators 4, 8 and 5, then our first job is to find a common denominator. In order to find a common denominator, we need to first find out LCM. LCM is least common multiple. So LCM is the smallest or least positive integer that is divisible by all three integers. In our case, we have three integers 4, 8 and 5. So let us find out LCM first. For integer 4, I will write multiples of 4. That is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. For 8, I will write multiples of 8, that is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and this will continue. Same way, I will write multiples of 5, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Okay. Now we have multiples of 4, multiples of 8 and multiples of 5. So from these multiples, I need to find out which is the least common multiple. So for example, in multiples of 4, in multiples of 8 and in multiples of 5, I see 40 is common in all three multiples, right? And this is how we find out the least common multiple. Okay, so we can say LCM of 4, 8 and 5 is 40, right? Now I need to convert all three fractions, that is 1 by 4, 3 upon 8 and 2 upon 5 in such a way that the denominator of all three fractions will come as 40. Let us see how to do that. So we just found that LCM of 4, 8 and 5 is 40. I will write it here. Now I need to convert fraction 1 upon 4 in a way that its denominator becomes 40 because we want a common denominator, right? So 1 upon 4, I will write 1 upon 4 and we need to multiply 1 upon 4 with 10 at the numerator and denominator place both. 1 multiplied by 10 is 10 and 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. So we have denominator 40 here, right? Same way, I need to convert 3 upon 8 in such a way that its denominator becomes 40. 3 upon 8, I write it here, multiply by 5 and 5. Okay, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, 8 multiplied by 5 is 40, right? And 2 upon 5 is, again, I need to multiply it by 8. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16, 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. Okay, so now you can see that in all three fractions we have common denominator, that is 40. Now it becomes very simple to solve these fractions, right? So 1 upon 4 plus 0 upon 8 minus 2 upon 5. Now it is very simple to solve it. So at the place of 1 upon 4, I can write 10 upon 40. At the place of 3 upon 8, I can write 15 upon 40. And at the place of 2 upon 5, I can write 16 upon 40. Okay, let us write it. So first we have 1 upon 4, I will write 10 upon 40. Then we have a plus sign. After that we have 3 upon 8. So for 3 upon 8, I will write 15 upon 40, this part. Then we have a minus sign. I will write minus sign. And later we have 2 upon 5, that is 16 upon 40. This is 16 upon 40. Now we have common denominator, so it becomes very simple to solve this fraction. So at the denominator's place, I will write 40 and at the numerator's place, I will write this 10 plus sign, 15, then minus sign and 16. Okay. Now this is 10 plus 15 is 25 minus 16 upon 40. Okay. Now 25 minus 16 is 9 and at the denominator's place we have 40. We can simplify this further, 9 upon 40, but this 9 upon 40, this fraction is already in a simplified form. We cannot reduce it further. So answer of 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 8 minus 2 upon 5 is 9 upon 40. This is the answer. Okay. Shall we take one more example? Okay, let us take this example, 7 upon 10 minus 5 upon 6 plus 3 upon 5. We need to solve this fraction. Here also you notice there is minus sign and there is plus sign, and we have all different denominators. So our first task will be to have a common denominator, right? And for this, like we did in earlier example, we need to write multiples of 10, 6 and 5. Okay. So multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30 and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. And multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Okay. Now from all these multiples we need to find out the least common multiple, right, which is common in all three multiples, multiples of 10, multiples of 6 and multiples of 5. So 30 is common in all three multiples, right? So 30 is the LCM of 10, 6 and 5. LCM of 10, 6 and 5 is 30. Now we need to write all three fractions in such a way that its denominator becomes 30. That is our least common multiple. Okay, so let us see how we do it. 7 upon 10, this is equal to 7 upon 10 multiplied by 3 at the numerator's place and 3 at the denominator's place. So at the denominator's place we will have 30. 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, and at the numerator's place we have 21. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. For 5 upon 6 as well, 5 upon 6 multiplied by 5 and 5, so that at the numerator we have 25 and at the denominator we have 30. For 3 upon 5, multiply this by 6 at the numerator and denominator both. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18 and 5 multiplied by 6 is 30, right? And now where we have 7 upon 10, we can write 21 upon 30 because both these fractions are same. Similarly, 5 upon 6 is nothing but 25 upon 30. Both these fractions have same value. Same with 3 upon 5, we can write 3 upon 5 as 18 upon 30. Both have same value, right? So let us write it down. So first we have 7 upon 10, I will write it as 21 upon 30. Then we have a minus sign, then 5 upon 6 is nothing but 25 upon 30. After that we have a plus sign, 3 upon 5 is 18 upon 30. Okay, now our fraction is very much simplified. We have 21 first, then minus sign, then 25, then plus sign, and after that 18. So what we are going to do, I will add 21 and 18 first, and then from the addition I will subtract 25. Okay, so 21 plus 18 is 39 minus 25, and at the denominator's place I have 30. So 39 minus 25 is 14, and at the denominator's place we have 30. Let us simplify this further. 14 can be written as 2 multiplied by 7, and 30 can be written as 2 multiplied by 15. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel each other, and what we will have is 7 upon 50. Okay, so we cannot simplify it further. This fraction 7 upon 15 is already in simplified form. So 7 upon 10 minus 5 upon 6 plus 3 upon 5 is 7 upon 15. Okay, so we have seen examples where we have to perform addition and subtraction on fractions, right? So hope this concept is clear to you. Okay, so in my next video I will bring more fraction examples. Thank you for watching.